This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by opening your drawing and confirming annotation scale and text style so leaders match your layout. Type leader or L and hit enter to start a leader. This launches prompting for points. Click the first vertex where the arrow originates because positioning sets the logical reference. Once placed, move to the next point to define the leader path. Make sure the path avoids overlapping objects for clarity and future edits. Once you have initial points, refine geometry by snapping to precise locations with object snaps. This ensures accuracy. If you need a curve or bend, add vertices or convert segments. Right-click and open properties to change arrowhead, landing gap, or spline settings because visual consistency matters. Use grips to drag endpoints or adjust the landing length interactively. Make sure to pan and zoom between edits to catch intersections and maintain alignment with nearby annotations. Finish by attaching text. Click the leader's annotation prompt or use mText and type your note because readable content completes the callout. Align text justification and set the leader attachment point so moving either keeps the relation intact. Finally, save changes and check scales on layout. If the leader doesn't behave, try resetting the dimensions /leader style. Or, as a last resort, explode and recreate the leader to clear corrupt settings. This resolves most stubborn display or alignment issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.